So it was very simple to set up. Here's the mounts for it. Took me maybe 10 minutes to download the app and get everything set up. I've actually got the camera in there just facing in the living room. I'll show you a quick view of it on my phone. I mean, it's kind of blurry because this ain't clicking in on my phone. But it actually has a really good picture on my phone. It didn't take me long at all to hook it up.